Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. And today I'm going to let you know how to make this font transparent in Canva, how to make it easily and fast when you are doing a design by using Canva. I will start with the blank page over here. So we thanks Canva because Canva really give us an option, so many options, solid colors and gradient. And by this time, I will just use a gradient because I'm going to create sunset. Okay, so I'm using background color is style is linear gradient colors over here by using a linear. Okay, this is all the element that I'm going to use because I'm going to create this sunset, say golden hour in Bali. All right. Okay, so this is the first one. I will just put a little bit up and drag on the other side. Okay, I will just put like that. And the second one is moon. Okay, so before I go in there, I would like to let you know the information of this element is Pura Bali silhouette. So this is the first element. And the second one is moon. You just type, it's moon. Okay. And after that, I will just reposition of this moon at the back. Okay. Because I'm creating sunset situation, sunset atmosphere in Bali. Okay, and after that, I will just type text over here and I will just adjust a little bit and make it bigger. It's up to you what are you going to type in here, but I will just put in a golden hour in Bali. Okay, and adjust the font. There you go. Again, you just click this font over here and it's time to change the font. Just click here, the font over there. And after that, you just type 210 to get all this font. So all the way down, scrolling down until you find out this 210 black box over here. Seems like Korean. There you go. Now we got a transparent font easily. And we need to adjust the space, okay, line spacing, so that all the font become closer. All right, and tight. Again, we need to adjust this. Is it put in the middle? And as you can see here, the black color is not similar or it's not really black. So we need to change this, become black, solid color, solid black. Okay, so that it's match. All right. Now to cover all this open space over here, because we are going to block so that this golden hour in Bali words here, yes, is transparent and it gives us a good sight. And now we need to get the element. The element color is the element. I mean, it's a shapes. This shapes is easily to change the color as well. You just click the color and it will change the color as you want. Okay, so I use a black color here and need to adjust a little bit up and a little bit closer so there is no gap between the font and the space. And even though this one, okay, and this one at the back as well. So make sure there is no gap. And even though this and this one. All right, so I'm done. All these things here, you can group it if you want. Yeah, and then you can adjust But if you don't want it, no problem. So it's up to you. Okay. And as the last one, if you want to make an animation, so I want to use animation on this, was on this moon over here. So the moon seems like coming forward. So let's use a breathe. Okay, and make it false. All right, and then release back. Okay, let's see how the animation comes. Ah, there you go. Nice. Enjoy golden hour in Bali. There you go. Okay, guys, yours is just the beginning. So have fun. Thanks for watching. And if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe. You can share with your friends. But if you don't want to get any notification from this, you just keep it. And see you around.